Good morning everyone. Today we will start remaining part of chapter 8. Okay, so take out your notebook and write hard word. First is careless. Second one is injure. INGURE, injure. Third one is safety rule. SAFETY, safety rules. RULES. Fourth one is banister. BANISTER, banister. Fifth one is blade. BLADES. Sixth one is Q. QUEUE. Seventh is slide. SLIDE. Eighth is swing. SWING, swing. Ninth is socket. 10th is pedestrian. 11th is subway. And 12th is first aid. And 13th is wound. And 14th is antiseptic lotion. Antiseptic lotion. Okay? Listen one time again. First, careless, injure, safety rules, banister, blade, queue, slide, swing, socket, pedestrian, subway, first aid, wound, antiseptic lotion. Okay? Then after write the following term. Write the following term. Define the following term. Sorry. Define the following term. First is safety rules. Safety rules. A set of rules that keep us safe. सेकेंड है एक्सीडेंट. अनएक्सपेक्टेड. UNEXPECTED. Unexpected incident. INCIDENT. Unexpected incident that cause injury or damage are called accident. Third one is careless. 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 Not paying attention. Sorry. Not paying attention. Write fast, beta. Do neat and clean and work, okay? And next है pedestrian. Pedestrian means पैदल चलने वाले, okay? Pedestrian means people who walk on foot. People who walk on foot. And subway. Next is subway. Fourth, SUBWAY, subway. Subway means a tunnel. A tunnel under a road. For pedestrian use. Pedestrian use. Injure, to harm someone. सीखते हैं injure. To harm someone. Write fast, beta. Right? Then next, answer in brief. When accident happen? When does accident happen? Sorry. When does accident happen? Accident कब होता है? Accident happen when we are careless. Answer. Accident happen when we are careless. Okay. Then question second is, what do we mean by first aid? What do we mean by first aid? Answer is first treatment given to an injured person before arrival of doctors. And write fast. Next है, why should we not get in or out of a moving bus? Why should we not get in or out of a moving bus? यानी मूविंग बस से बाहर, वाई शुड वी नॉट गेट इन और आउट ऑफ अ मूविंग बस, यानी चलती हुई बस से ना उतरना चाहिए ना चढ़ना चाहिए. तो क्यों? बिकॉज वी कैन फॉल फ्रॉम द बस. बिकॉज वी कैन fall from the bus. Okay? And next question है define antiseptic lotion. Define antiseptic lotion. So an antiseptic substance is the one that prevent the growth of disease causing germ. An antiseptic substance that prevent the growth of disease causing germ. Okay. Define antiseptic lotion. So an antiseptic substance that prevent the growth of disease causing germs. वो substance जो कि an antiseptic is a substance that prevent the growth of disease causing germs. यानी antiseptic substance वो substance होते हैं जो कि disease causing यानी बीमारी फैलाने वाले germs की ग्रोथ को रोकते हैं, प्रिवेंट करते हैं, रोकते हैं. ओके, राइट प्रॉपरली. आवर ब्रीफ क्वेश्चन इज फिनिश, सो राइट प्रॉपरली. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.